Foods which will naturally cleanse your liver. Getting a proper and correctly functioning liver is among the secrets of finding yourself in optimal health and wellness. In case your liver isn't operating at its optimal level, you might well end up getting low levels of energy because the day progresses, regularly feeling bloated and gassy, in addition to locating it challenging to shifeetany excess weight you should lose. In addition to this, a poorly functioning liver may cause more severe symptoms including headaches, emotional problems, and feelings of nausea. Fortunately, with the addition of just 6 liver cleansing foods to your diet, you are able to completely get rid of these symptoms of your existence and provide an enormous boost for your levels of energy and overall mental and physical well-being. Let's go straight ahead and check out the 6 incredibly cleansing foods you have to supplement your diet now to get your liver back functioning at 100%. Avocado. Wealthy in glutathione-producing compounds, avocados positively promote liver health by protecting it against toxic overload and boosting its cleansing power. Some investigation has proven that eating a couple of avocados per week for less than 30 days can repair a broken liver. Walnuts. Walnuts, that have high amounts of l'arginine, an amino acidity, glutathione, and omega-3 essential fatty acids, also aid detox the liver of disease-causing ammonia. Walnuts also aid oxygenate the bloodstream, and extracts using their hulls are frequently used in liver cleansing formulas. Turmeric. Turmeric, probably the most effective foods for maintaining a proper liver, continues to be proven to positively safeguard the liver against toxic damage as well as regenerate broken liver cells. Turmeric also enhances the natural manufacture of bile, shrinks engorged hepatic ducts, and improves overall purpose of the gallbladder, another body purifying organ. Do this healing recipe,